Yeah, I've maxed out at 30 men. I don't know how you guys are consistently killing it. 30.
Yeah, they are, man. All day today been 29. That 29.799 is the fastest I've seen today. There's a couple 29 low 8s, but that's the quickest.
If I go any faster, I spin out of 4 every time.
Yeah, I keep track of my turns, and I'm ahead of every turn going in, but there's one turn I always screw up that wipes the other 3 out and costs me that half a second or so.
I either lift too much or not enough.
You have 2 additional sets of tires for this race. Be smooth and have a good run.
Good luck, everybody.
Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the 8. I'm going to be behind the 10. But slide back in that seat real quick. Give those belts a real quick tug. Double check your steering wheel. You're ready to roll here. You're going to be lining up behind the 10. Ready, green flag. Outside. All clear, my man.
Really?
43.403.
What did I do?
Hey, good job checking up everybody there. That was awesome.
Yeah, that was a good job, drivers, everybody.
Oh, it really wasn't that good a job. The guy freaking lost it, got it back, and then lost it again in like 3 seconds.
Outside.
Yeah, you got a point. I think it was the weed race.
Somebody said 14. I was fine. I went by somebody's spin.
34.266.
My bad. I might have read the number wrong as I was broadsiding him.
No worries. I was paying because I thought he was trying to get back on the track and was mad at me for not letting him on the track. I was like, bro, you spun out.
Good save back there, 13. I was right with you.
Like I load up for him, and then he gathered it back up. I hit the gas, and then he lost it again right in front of me.
Like 3 laps ago. Let it go.
I'm not done crying again. I just can't catch a break in these freaking trucks.
I'm at Texas, starting to feel like Talladega.
Oh boy, you hit that right on the head, man. 100% true.
like 50% of the races I've got crashed by like none of my own doing.
.283.
And then if you quit it, it kills your R rating.
Yep.
.411. Outside.
Alright, leaders, I'm staying to the outside.
Door quarter clear.
I tried so hard to put it in the wall. I'm sorry, guys. Damn it.
30.587.
Never mind, nice save.
Outside. Looks clear, clear, clear. .906. Outside. Still outside. Clear high. Good job, man. Don't change your line. They're going to move. 30.703.
Yes, sir.
Outside. Clear. .57. .72.
Alright, who's going to take the caution for the team?
Somebody needs to before I go another lap down.
30.761.
I still have hopes of repairing damage. Some dude walled up the front stretch wall. I don't know how the hell he kept it saved.
Well, that really sucks. Yeah, guy was losing it. Had to go through the grass, but I guess the grass is better than the wall.
Last night I had 3 exits, and every one of them was going in the grass over there.
30.714.
Yeah, I had to check up, guys. I wasn't hitting that wall.
Outside, outside. Still there. Clear, clear outside. Outside, outside.
Come on, boys.
Still out
6 seconds to get
Clear
back
outside.
again. You can do it.
Still outside. 32.206. Clear.
I never use my tires up this bad. This is terrible.
No one of y'all talent station on that thing.
Inside. Clear inside. .258.
Down low.
.615.
Go ahead, 13.
Yeah, I hit a little bit. Out there almost spun out the beginning.
Yeah, we're all fishtailing.
32.066. 20 laps to go.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, they're all fishtailing up here.
31.587.
I wonder how many turns I got to do to get rid of my 4X.
You know you're on the way. .152. Outside. Clear, clear outside. .836. .008.
Someone's in the infield. Ah!
You will have a caution. No.
Ooh-wee, missed that
Be
one.
behind the gate. You're going to be lining
Oh,
up
I knew
behind
that
the
was
gate.
coming. I just lapped too long. I knew it was coming.
Alright, you're going to have to come around the chase car. Get behind the gate.
I'm glad to see that.
Line up behind the gate. They could be lining up behind the 22. The road is open.
Go guys, here we come. 15 pitting.
Alright, we need to be behind the 8. Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the 22. They could be lining up behind the 8.
I can't pit yet, so I'm not down. I should just pit anyway.
That's what I did, John. I just gonna take the penalty.
I should have, but I wasn't smart enough apparently. I mean, I probably got like 5 minutes for repairs any damn way. I don't know what I'm worried about.
Go, 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 go!
To this day, I just don't get why people drive down 30 parking lots, pit stalls to
Be
get to
mindful,
theirs.
you only
I
have
just
one set
don't
of
get
cars
it.
remaining. 6 mile, please. Behind the 12.
That's repairs. I should just hit my wrist.
Is it 1 to green?
2.
Thank you.
Oh, damn, you guys are making me dizzy up there. Whole lap, struffing tires. Jeez.
1 to go. You're going to be on the outside. Looks like you'll be lining up behind the 20. 1 minute 8.141. be lining up behind the 20.
All right, boys, 9 to go. Let's have
I'll just have to under caution.
safe. It don't happen.
Yeah, my man. Pace car's off. Be ready. Green flag. Inside quarter. 1 minute 11.931.
You're an asshole, dude. You really had to go, dude.
Clear. Caution's out. Not
You
caution's
fucking
out.
idiot.
Earl, you sure you got your release mark
Awesome.
correct coming into pit road? Yes,
Fucking
I do,
idiot,
sir.
man. You just had to try to go
You get
through
the
the
thumbs
wall.
up from everybody?
Fucking idiot.
Okay, whatever. Our backup channel. Make sure everybody's on and can hear me. Pit road
Where's
is
the
closed.
wall? What are you talking
Come in,
about?
be behind the
He
16.
tried to go 3 wide or squeeze into the wall, and he just a fucking idiot waving the green flag, even before the checker flag. Just an asshole.
We're going to have to come around at 4.
Yup.
Some of you people are just plain idiots. I hate to say it, but that's what you are, idiots.
Behind the 22. Pit road is open.
Looks like to me like you didn't get off the ball very good.
So you got to check up, okay? That's how you drive. You don't make holes that are not there, dumbass.
Pace car in 3, 4, sorry.
No, it wasn't, dude. Just be quiet, okay? There's a reason why you don't talk and have a speaker, okay? You belong to the idiot show.
Hey George, why don't you be quiet, man?
All right, buddy.
I'm tired
Line
of
up
listening
behind
to
the
this.
5.
Fuck you.
Fuck me.
You heard me. Oh, is that a reportable offense by Iracing? Who?
That was real simple, George. If you would have went on green, that wouldn't have happened. Because I was the beneficial of passing your ass while you were bouncing off the wall.
Yeah, okay there, 15. Okay there. Okay.
If this pisses you off so much, why do you do it, man?
And Don, I'm gone. It's just you run into stupid idiots like that get 4 tires and think they're fucking AJ4 ain't gonna make holes that aren't there. You check up for a reason and then you go race the last 8 laps. He's probably got a keyboard, just like you.
You're right, George. I got a keyboard. and I got a frickin' rig, you know, and I got a direct drive wheel. I got all kinds of shit, George.
I got 120 seconds for repairs left.
Pit road is closed.
Now, that's something you really don't want to have,
You're going to be
really.
coming around the 11.
Yeah, okay. Blah, 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 blah. Idiot fucking people. It's what you are.
Why don't you go cry in your beer somewhere else, George?
I agree with George.
You would.
Well, I got wrecked last race due to idiots too, so I know how he feels.
Well, he's talking about an idiot, but I was going by him. He didn't keep...
Blah, 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 blah.
Alright, that's just all shut up, and just so you guys know, I'm on old tires. So I'm not going to fight anybody, but I'm not going to let everybody go right by me either. I'm just letting you know that I'm like 10 laps down, and I got 4 fresh tires, and I'm coming for the win. You might make it.
You might as well. The 11 tried it last time. Shot up the middle.
Now 1 to go. Got a good copy back there? Could be on the inside here. 1 minute 21.3.
Woo!
2
Out the pit,
behind the
baby.
21.
Congrats.
Good luck, fellas. Let's get them done here.
Dang, John, I almost took you out right when you were coming out, buddy.
I'm gonna have a fucking meltdown.
Me too, man. This is not a good. I'm ready for this to be over.
New track tomorrow.
What is it?
Milwaukee.
Hey, John, I'm gonna come by you here telling you to pass it.
Did a really good job, man. Give yourself another tug real quick.
I think it was the 4 truck I freaking planted earlier. I expect more out of you, 4.
Boss man, time to go to work. Ready, green, 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 green. One minute 15.
Cap it off. I now
9,
got
4.
left.
5 laps to go.
God no dude.
Still an idiot.
Here comes 11.
Still out there. Track. Looks clear, clear, clear.
Let's hold on to the 23.
Outside. Inside, inside. 33.062. Clear low. Big picture here today, bud. Big picture. Inside. Still inside. Clear. .111.
11, can you get the fuck out of here? You're lap
Inside.
down.
Clear. Inside.
About a fucking idiot.
Still inside.
How's the race back there,
Inside
Joe?
only. 2 to go. Inside clear. 30.832. Outside. Still outside.
That 11th guy is always trouble. The
All
whole
clear on
weekend
there.
long.
Trouble.
Just waited for all my repairs, served my black flag, came out of pit road, blew up.
One more time. 30.724.
One time I was leading on a green, white checkered street stop. As soon as the green flag dropped, hit the gas and
Come on, 11. Oh, we're racing for the top 10.
You're freaking reading. He's an idiot, dude. Lap down, race like it's fucking G lap. On a wreck. He just wrecked.
Clear on the bottom.
Oh, that guy's an idiot.
Hit the wall, fellas.
That asshole wrecked the guy out of the top 10.
Yeah, dude. Better report him, man. That's ridiculous, man. Sorry, dude. Sorry he didn't get off the track, man. Go find something else to do in your fucking free time.
Hey, for not having tickets at all, coming in fourth, it's pretty good.
Yeah, nice run, Dennis.
That 11 guy's been reported, I think, at least 3 times over this weekend, so hopefully they do something.
Yeah, all I know is he's in the top of the field every race I'm in, and he's taking somebody out every race.
Yeah, or he's brake checking on restarts or all kinds of shit.
Tough break, Justin.